Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, what are we going to learn today? Something really special and that which can be implemented in single one click. We are going to learn about automating sending Gmails to our client. Whether it is welcome mail to onboard the clients or GST reminder or any such thing, you can automate it with existing tools absolutely for free using vibe coding. So I'm going to show you step by step process how we can do the things with absolutely one click. So we'll go to ChatGPT and write a simple prompt, very simple prompt. You can see it is not a enlarged prompt, simple I have written. I want to write a small Google script for automate mail. I want to welcome my clients on board in a professional manner. Tell me what column you required to run this in a Google Sheet. It will work on Active Sheet. Make sure the code is error free. So I have told that I will make a list in Google Sheets and you have to send those welcome email in a professional manner, simple and crisp. Okay. So got it to write a Google app script for automating welcome email to clients. When they are onboarded, you will need a Google Sheet with specific columns. Okay. So it has given us these columns. What I will do is absolutely from beginning, sheets.google.com, and absolutely blank sheet, so that some things which ChatGPT does not tells you, I am going to tell, don't worry. So we'll write name, then maybe email. The column name has to be specific because the code will be based on that. Okay, onboard date, and last is the status. Okay, yes. Now go, you paste this in extension app script. So what we will do is we'll go to extensions. These are the tabs, extension and app script. Let me bring it here so that we can see clearly, and you can paste this in extension. So I'll copy this and here it's written. I'll remove this and control V. That's it, simple. Okay, then we'll see find this and all this. Okay, so now I will just save it, and as soon as it gets saved, I will run the code. When you run it for the first time, it is an external Google Sheet. It wants permission for your email because it is going to access your email and send the mails. So this is your own email, own Google Drive, own Google Sheet. So there is no harm in giving the permission. Review permissions. This is a one-time step, not always. Okay. So TechFlow Hub, advanced, and go to untitled project. Since I have not renamed the sheet, it's okay. You can rename, you can keep it for use, everything. Go to untitled sheet, and then it is going to ask me for the permission to read, write, send email, everything. Not an issue. This you can see. I'll do select all, edit, create and delete mails, send emails. Yes, continue. And I forgot to add the names. So what we'll do, name Lokesh, maybe Lokesh06@gmail.com. onboard date is today 2025. Okay, I think the status will be not sent, execution completed, but there was nothing to execute. No issues. Again we'll copy this and maybe another email ID 01@gmail.com, and same. Okay, I'll give another name, maybe Mukesh. Okay, and now once again we will run it, and you see execution completed. Now what we will do is simply check our mail, and you can see send items. 1 minute, and you can see that, dear Mukesh, this to this email ID the mail is sent in a click of a button. On the other hand, I will also show you this email ID, techflowhub.guwahati, welcome on board Mukesh. Dear Mukesh, we are delighted to welcome you on board. Our team looks forward. So you can see this type of email. I have not additionally taken it in depth, like adding triggers, reminder mail, adding files and everything. You can access the prompt from the link in the description as always, and add that yourself, whatever customization you need. If you have any issues, you can write in the comments. I will show how to add everything maybe in the next video. So what we have done is simply sending emails. Okay, I will show you the prompt once again. Yes, so see, as soon as you give this prompt, you can find it in the description. Do you want me to add make it a trigger based example, automatically send mail when a new row is added, or you will run it manually? So nowadays it is becoming more smarter and smarter, so you can make it trigger based, you can make it button based, anything. So try this and let me know in the comments if you have any issues and how you are implementing it. That's all for this video, friends. This was a small video just to tell you that Google Apps Script is very powerful. You can also add some HTML things. I will show you in the future videos. This prompt, you can find it in the link in the description. That's all for this video, friends. I hope you got some value out of it. See you in the next video.